Torrential rains kept battering Australia's east coast on Tuesday, intensifying the flood crisis in Sydney as thousands more residents were ordered to leave their homes after rivers swiftly rose past danger levels. About 50,000 residents in New South Wales, most in Sydney's western suburbs, have been told to either evacuate or warned they might receive evacuation orders, up from Monday's 30,000, authorities said. The latest wild storm Celes, which brought heavy rains with several places receiving a year's worth in 3 days, is likely to ease in Sydney as the coastal trough moves north, the Bureau of Meteorology said. But the risk of flooding could remain through the week, with most river catchments already near capacity even before the latest deluge. Some regions received 31.5 inches of rain since Saturday, eclipsing Australia's annual average rainfall of around 20 inches.